time to get out, do a little hike this afternoon. Need to shave. Filming in 4K. Fly the quadcopter a little bit, get out, get some exercise, walk out west of town here, find a place to fly around, go for a hike. I got my second COVID shot. The shot part went okay, but man, yesterday, Friday, kind of kicked my ass. Body achy, you know, a bit of a fever, but you know, it was a hard day yesterday going after the COVID shot. So, but I'm feeling much better today. That's why I wanted to get out and go for a hike. So out in the middle of farmland, USA. It's alright, it's pretty cool actually. You have to appreciate the beauty of the farmland. It's a different kind of beauty. Tied a little orange ribbon on this because I've almost hit this thing before. The survey marker. Bad news for slamming into it with the quadcopter going 80 miles an hour. The frog pond. And now I'm on the Old Creamery bike trail that goes in between Vinton and Garrison. So I think I'm going to go up here. There's a bench. I think I'm going to get my quad out and just fly around here a little bit. And hopefully no issues.
Welcome to OpenTX. Engine off.
Plug in the goggles, plug in the quad. Listen for all the happy sounds. but quadcopter safely back. So happy quadcopter. Happy pilot. Yeah, I'm all packed up. Quadcopter's in one piece. My last landing, I kind of dumped her into the dirt a little bit, but that's all right. I've always sucked at landing my quadcopter, so. But I think I'm gonna head down this way. Good hike today. Fun flying quadcopter along the way. Right at the end of the bike trail here. On my way home, just gotta cross the highway without getting killed.